Hi everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this 1986 Z28, 15,000 miles, T-tops, 5-liter, leather interior, manual transmission. Nothing's been modified. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, disc, clean underneath. Seems to have all the original stuff inside. All your belts and hoses are good. Clean all throughout. Shock towers, nice. This was the car back in '86. Cruising down the street. Sorry about my shadow, everybody. I'll go this way. How's that? Is that better? Hood line's right. Notorious for the Z28s. Try to get my shadow out of there. Front quarter, front fender's good. Z28 badging, your wheels no rash. Door to rear quarter, just like it should. T-tops, nice option. Couple tiny little chips. That's it. It lines up great all the way throughout. This is the way it should. Rear bumper, same. All good. All your glass is good all the way throughout. Passenger quarter lines up to the door and gaps just the way it should. This car looks like it's never been in any kind of fight. Pretty much all original. I see a little wear on one of the wheels here. And same here. Those are easy repairs, like they curbed it a little bit, but that's it. Back seats all good. Oh, by the way, you have the T-top bags as well as coming with it. Interior's great. Nothing to talk about. It's like never been sat in. Well, it's got low miles. All your original stickers in the door panels, your dash is good. Tilt and cruise. I'm sorry, tilt, no cruise. 15,485 miles. Sorry, that sun's kicking my butt. All factory. Five-speed. Pretty much original exhaust and everything is on here. Car's really nice. We're located in Addison, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Shop hours are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I'll give you my number in a few minutes. We'll go through it. We've got 190 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pics, video, description, and pricings on our website, MGMClassicCars.com. We do offer special financing if you have good credit. 10% down, go as far as 180 months. If you've got excellent credit, I do have a source with no money down. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed to your front door. If you have any questions on this 86 Z28 or any of our other cars, or just need quotes on shipping or want to talk, my name is Earl. You could reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Got a lot more cars coming out your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me on this 86 Z28 5-speed T-top car. Thanks, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.